observe the pattern and answer the questions here. So here they have given one pattern. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. Next one 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 20. And next third, see one number I am leaving here. First one I am leaving and starting with the 2. 2, 3, 4 like that I am taking 5 numbers. In each and every line I am taking 5 numbers and adding here. So one number I am leaving. Each and every time first number I am leaving and starting with the next number. So second number I have started with the second number and I have extended 5 numbers you have to add now. So I have taken the next number. And next in the coming to the next third line, see I have left the 2 here and started with the 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So after 6, 5 numbers you have to add now. So next number I am taking 7 here. Like that if you add like these numbers like this, you get here 15, 20, 25 like that you are getting. So observe the pattern here. Just we have leaving one number, adding one number, and like that we are adding here 5 numbers only. Each and every time we are adding 5 numbers. And here we are getting 15, 20, 25. If you observe this result here, these are the multiples of 5 table only. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 25, 5 is 25, right? So these are the multiples of 5 table. Now see the questions what they are asking. By which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? Each and every time we are getting this sum now. To get this sum, which number we have to multiply the middle number? With which number you have to multiply the middle number? Middle number is this one. Middle number is this one. With which number you have to multiply this one, and each and every time you are getting the result here. Okay, each line. So here if I to get this 15, how much I have to multiply this one? So how much I have to multiply this one to get this 15? 5. So 3 5s 15. So you got here 3 5s 15 only. Next step 4 to get this 20. How much I have to multiply here? Again with 5 only. 4 into 5. You are getting here 20. So to get this 25, here in the middle number is 5. How much I have to multiply here to get this 25? With 5 only. So 5 into 5, you are getting here 25. Each and every time to get the result, that is the sum, to get this sum, with which number you have to multiply the middle number means you have to multiply with 5. So multiply with 5. Multiply with 5 now. So what is the answer for the second one? Write the row of the pattern which gives the sum as 75. Write the row of the pattern which gives the sum as 25. Here we are getting 15, 20, 25. Like that somewhere you have to get that 75 sum. That row pattern we have to mention here. So each and every time, see, I will extend this pattern here. So next line I am writing. Follow this pattern and I want to write the next one. So first number you have to leave now. So leave that one. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. After 7 you have to increase one more number. So that you will get the 5 numbers to add this one. What is the sum? What is the next multiple of 5 here? 30. So your sum also will be 30 only. Okay. Next pattern. Like that you have to write up to 75. Where you get that 75? Up to that you have to write here. Now see. Leave that one. 5, 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. What you get here? 35. Next pattern write down 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. You get here 40. Okay. Now write down the next one. 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. You get here 45. Next. 4 more lines you have to get. So next you have to start with 8. Next you have to start with 9. So you get here 50. Next 55 you get. Next 10. You get here 60. And 11. You get here 65. And after that, which one you get here? And after that, 11 after you start with 12. 12 you start with this 12 and you get here 17. And after that, if you start with the 13, 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17, you get here 75. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 5 numbers we are adding. So in this row, you get here 17. Okay, this is your answer for the second one. In which row? Write the row of the pattern which gives the sum of 75. So in this row you get the sum of 75 here. Understood? So you extend the lines and then find out the pattern where you get the sum as 75. Okay. Now see the last one. Can there be any row of the pattern which gives the sum as 92? Can there be any row of the pattern? In any row you get the sum as 92. What is the row? That we have to find out here. So observe this number once, 92. Observe the sum here. Here these are the multiples of 5 only, right? So the sum here also, the sum must be 92 they have given means this must be a multiple of 5. But in the 5 multiples there is no 92. Right? 90 is there, 95 is there. But 92 is not there in the 5 table. Right? So it's not possible. The sum as 92 you get now, that row you can't find out here. Okay? Okay, there is no like that. You get the sum as 92. Okay? No? 92 is not in multiple of 5. So you can't write a row. Okay? So you can't write a row here. Okay, understood this one? So first one is by which number should we multiply the middle numbers to get the sum means you have to multiply with 5 to get the 5 multiples. And after that you have to find out the pattern in which row you get the sum as 75. We got that one. And 92, the sum 92, in which row you get the sum as 92, that row you have to write. But 92 is not a 5 table, it's not in 5 table, that is not a multiple of 5. Sum must be equal to the multiple of 5 only, but it is 92 is not there in the 5 table, so you can't write a row here. Understood? Good. Fine. Magic square is nothing but, see what is the magic square means? The magic square is an arrangement of different numbers. Arrangement of different numbers in the form of square. Magic square na in the form of square. Magic square is in the pattern of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 like a square pattern only. In that square pattern also, we will take the different types of numbers, but the sum, horizontal sum, vertical sum and the diagonal sum must be equal. Okay, see one example here. I have taken this magic square. Add this one and check this one. Horizontally add all the lines here. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 4, 15. And now see 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15. And now see 6, 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So all horizontal lines you got 15 only. Now check this vertically. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 6, 15. And now see 15. And now see. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15. Right? All you got 15 only. Now check the diagonally. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 15. And this diagonal also check this one. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15. So in each and every horizontal line you will get 15 only, and each and every vertical line also you will get 15 only, and each and every diagonal line also you are getting here 15 only. Understood? In each and every horizontal line also you are getting 15 only. This is nothing but the magic square. Understood? This is the magic square. Now we will see some problems on this one also. Okay. Now see the next problem in patterns. Complete each of the following magic square by supplying the missing numbers. Okay. Here they have given some magic squares and also with the missing numbers we have to fill that numbers here. What we have learned in the magic square? In that magic square we will going to have the different types of numbers, but all the horizontal lines, sum of all the horizontal lines, all the vertical lines and all the diagonal lines should be same. Here we have, they have given one clue here, 8, 5, 2. The diagonal line you have, the sum of the diagonals will be is 15 here. The sum of the diagonal line will be 15 here. Right? Sum of the diagonal line is 15 here. So you have to get all the horizontal lines and vertical lines also must be equal to 15. Okay. Now see, the remaining number you will write here. 9 plus 2. So to get this 15, how much you have to add in this one? 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 15 minus 11. How much? 4. Okay. Now see this one. Here in this one, for this block, 8 plus 4, 12. Total number is 15. So 15 minus 12. How much? 3. Okay. You fill it. You fill this one. Now coming to this one. 9 plus 5, 14. Remaining how much is there? 15 minus 1, 15 minus 14, 1. Okay. Now look at this one. 8 plus 1, 9. So 15 minus 9, 6. Okay. Now see, look at this one. Here, either you, like this you can horizontally you can check this one, or vertically you can check this one. I will do horizontally. 3 plus 5, 8. So 15 minus 8, how much? 15 minus 8, 7. Now you got all the numbers now. So like that, like this you have to fill the magic square. Okay? Check for the blue, find out the blue, either horizontally or vertically or diagonally. You will get all the numbers and find out that sum, and you have to get all the sums by calculating all the horizontal lines and vertical lines. Like that you can fill the missing numbers. Understood? Now see this one. So here also we have here diagonally all the numbers. Where you have all the numbers, find out that one first. Here also diagonally you have all the numbers. Find out the sum here. What is the sum of these diagonals? 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 17, 38. Right. 38. Sum of the diagonals is 38. So in each and every row you have to get this 38 only. Now check this one. 16 plus 17. 17 plus 16. Add this one. So from 38 you have to subtract 33. How much you get here? 5. Okay. Like that you have to fill that one. Now 3 numbers. Remaining only one you have to find out here. This up. So 27 plus 5. 27 plus 5, 32. So subtract from 38. How much you get here? 6. Okay? 6. Now see this row. See this row. So for this one. Okay? Now see. For this row, 9, this one 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 38 minus 27. What you get here? 11. 11. Now see, fill this row also. Fill this row. 27 plus 7, 34. 38 minus 34. How much? 4 is there. Okay. Now fill this row. I am writing here. And this is this one. And now see, this one is 7. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 14, 35. 38 minus 35 you get here. Okay. Now we have to fill this one. Now see, I am writing for this one. 14, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 14, 11 plus 14, 25. So 38 minus 25. How much you get here? 3, 1, 30. Now remaining only 1 you have. So you have to get this one now. Alright, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 10, 30. So 38 minus 30. How much you get here? 8. This is the magic square. You have to fill like this numbers. Okay. First, where you get 4 numbers, either in the diagonal line or a vertical line or diagonal. You have to find out that one and find out the sum first. After that, find out the remaining numbers. Okay. Each and every row, horizontal row and diagonal row must be equal to 38 only. Now, on the lines we have checked here. What else? This horizontally also check this one once. To get, you have to get 38 here also. We have filled all these numbers once. Check this answer also once. So 14 plus 11, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 8, 38. Got it? Yes. Okay. This is about magic square. Okay. Now done these problems.